up, YouTube? As y'all saw in the last video, we put the active exhaust mufflers on the car. Now, I've had these on the car for well over, maybe I want to say a month. We finally have tips. Yes, I know. We finally have tips. I'm not going to say finally because we've been had the tips. We had the tips for almost a month. Why haven't I put them on? Ask me. I don't know. I'm lazy, all right? So, we got the tips to put on the car. They're 4.5 inches, right? I'm going to show y'all what they look like. As y'all can see, we got 4.5 inch tips. These things are, I'm not gonna lie to you, I could put my whole fist in it and still have room. I did test fit them to see what they would look like against the other blacks on the car. I kind of don't know what it really looked like in daytime because I put them on at night. I have to go to Harbor Freight and get some tools to tighten this down. Before we get started on this video, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to everybody. I want to get to 5K subs before Christmas. I know Christmas is close, but I'm sure we can definitely get there if I stay consistent and not take a month to put tips on. So we got to go to Harbor Freight, and then before we go to Harbor Freight, I got to get some gas because as y'all can see, we have no gas, 20 miles. All right, y'all. We are back from Harbor Freight. All right, y'all. We back from Harbor Freight. I got I just picked this joint up. I'm probably gonna return that joint back. So Harbor Freight, if you watching this, you gotta get it. What y'all think? Y'all think this look? It's kind of big. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. Look good with the tips on. Finally. As y'all can see, there's no tips on this one. But then we got these big joints. Whole fist. Oh no. It's gonna turn out good. Alright, so I gotta figure out how to tighten this joint down. And I don't know. I might turn the clamp around. It'd be easier if I tighten it from the bottom. Like this. Oh shit. I don't wanna touch it. Shit. This is it. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we got one of the tips on. Look at this. Damn. I wish the sun wasn't beaming like that. Let me see if I can block it out some. But look at this shit. This shit is massive. Nah, W tips. No homo. W tips. All right, let's get the other one on, and then I'm gonna angle it different towards the sun so y'all can get a better view of it. And don't be commenting, oh my God, clean your car, clean your car. Shut the fuck up. I do whatever I want with my car. I got just enough room for this shit. All right, y'all, so we got the tips on. What the fuck is that? Do y'all see that? Oh, hell no, I'm in AI land. So we got the tips on. I'm about to show y'all them in a second. I don't know, I think these ones look good. Oh no, y'all really can't see. I'm gonna turn the car around now for y'all so y'all can see. All right, y'all, so we got the tips on. I'm about to show y'all so y'all get a better angle. Look at these bitches. God damn. Badass tips. Look at these shits. Fine shit. We got a better view. Oh yeah, these is it. Finally got some tips on these. Oh yeah, this is just made the rear end. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. These ones look good. Alright, y'all, as y'all seen in the clips, them tips are massive. Pause, no diddy. Like, this joint just made the car. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It definitely changed the rear end, but as y'all can see, the car is a little dirty. And by a little, I mean like a lot. Definitely gotta wash it. Can't give you a, I gave y'all a little sneak peek. Let me see if y'all can actually see up under there. See what I see. Do y'all see what I see? Hold on. See if y'all can see. I know y'all see that's red right there. I did not drop a video for that, but I do want to show y'all, but I can't show y'all when the car looking like this, dirty and shit. But look at y'all one last view of the tips. These joints definitely changed the rear end of the car. But like I said, I appreciate everybody tuning into the videos. You know, I'm almost at 5K. I definitely want to get to 5K before Christmas. If I get there, that's going to be a huge accomplishment, and it's just going to keep me on track. But I appreciate everybody tuning in. Thank you for watching another video, and then I'll see y'all boys in the next one.